Good morning, everybody. We are here at the airport. We are on our way to Orlando. I didn't get to vlog this morning because somebody had me driving.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, so we're just going on a little one-day vacay just to relax. So I will talk to you all when we arrive. So we finally made it. We actually been in Orlando for about 2 hours now, but now we're we drove to Cocoa Beach. It's really gloomy out here. It's raining. I'm a little upset because it's raining. I was hoping the sun would be shining. But we'll make the best of it. Finally made it to the little treehouse, and it is so gorgeous, y'all. It is so cute. I'm about to take y'all inside. All right, y'all, so we are in the treehouse. It is so cute. Let me just take y'all on a quick tour. Look at that. Okay, so this is the door when you first come in from outside. From what I showed you all earlier, it's the little living area. Somebody that made themselves comfortable over there. And this is the bathroom. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. This is like the cutest Airbnb I've ever stayed at. This is a little kitchen area. And it is so cute. Y'all, they left us some apples and caramel dip. So that's what Ty is snacking down on. But this is the cutest little thing ever. And it's a nice little tree house. Good morning. It is 8:13 in the morning. It is Sunday, and we are about to get up and get going. We have a little excursion planned today, a little adventure for us. We're gonna go kayaking in a clear kayak. So that should be fun. I'm still sleepy. I've been up since 6:30. I have no idea why I got up so early. But yeah. So talk to you guys soon. All right, y'all, we made it to the kayak tour. What happened, man? Where? Oh, goodness. Oh, that's the one he was talking about we had to get over? Anyways, we're kayaking. Y'all, I am so exhausted and I'm so sorry, but I did not get to record the clear kayaking. Yeah, because I wasn't expecting us to get a boat that was full of water. And it was a lot of water. And I didn't want my phone to get ruined, and the GoPro, we did not have the waterproof case for it. But I do have pictures, so I'll post them. But we are about to leave and head back to Atlanta, but our stay in Orlando has been wonderful, especially for it to be so quick and so fast. But it was definitely relaxing and something we needed. So enjoy.